Historically, the civilizations have grown around the rivers. But in the modern times, world settles and succeeds around the roads. At Himalaya Engineering Company, we are about the roads and reliability so that the caravan of success, the logistics of the world, move and groove to the tune of growth. Roadmap of supersonic takeoff. We are ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturers and exporters of a wide range of road construction equipment. And our expertise extends to excellence in each machine. Drum mix plant, wet mix plants, road paver equipment like paver finishers, mechanical paver finisher, asphalt drum mixer, bitumen pressure distributor, wet mix paver finisher, mechanical trolley mounting sprayer, and many customized machines catering to the needs of the nation that is fast gaining reputation as the world engine of growth. Team on the track of Mission Marvel. Mr. Amrut Rajput and Ramesh Rajput, our director duo, has world view of technology and tech excellence to take the vision of Himalaya Engineering forward. A vision based on ethics and ingenuity. Our plant located in the ever-evolving city of Mehsana, in the most vibrant state of India, Gujarat, is a testimony to what global benchmarks of production and international infrastructure can achieve in the short period of 25 years. Uncompromising quality, undying commitment to innovation are our research and development mantras that never fail to deliver on the parameters of quality, efficiency, reliability, durability, resistance against corrosion, resistance against adverse climatic conditions. Our products imbibe our attitude and pave the path for destination reputation. Asphalt and wet mix paver finisher. Asphalt batch mix plant 80 to 240 tons per hour. Asphalt drum mix plant 20 to 260 tons per hour. Bitumen pressure distributor. Hydraulic broomer. Footprints on international highways. Iraq, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Nepal, Dubai, Afghanistan, Bhutan. As our products reach the milestones of excellence, we shall always strive to maintain our core of quality that has helped us reach our growth highlights.